So good evening to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about CDSL share. So many people have requested to make a separate technical analysis video on CDSL. So today we'll discuss all the major levels, what are the supports, what are the resistances, and we'll also discuss the basic fundamentals like what is the company, what is the market cap, and what are the recent financials, so that each and everything will be clear. So make sure you're watching the video till the end, and if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified, and do join the Telegram group. I'll provide a link in the comment section. Okay, so first discussing about CDSL. So the complete full form of CDSL stands like Central Depository Services. So this particular term you might have seen many times. So whenever we try to sell our holdings, so we try to enter a TPIN. So after entering, you will be redirected to a website which is CDSL website. So there itself many transactions keep happening each and every day. So when accounts are being added on regular basis, so when users are increasing, especially the investors, so when these type of activities increase, so obviously such companies which are related to security depository, so that is CDSL followed by NSDL, so those companies would be benefited. So this stock also has a very bright future, seeing the present situation in India. So if we discuss about the other financials like what is the market cap and all, you can see market cap is around 15,340 crores. So very good market cap is also present, and current price you can see it is around 1468, and high and low is around 1500 and low is around 461. Stock P is around 60.1, book value of 89.1, dividend yield is 0.61%, and coming to most important thing, return on capital employed and return on equity, which are around 32.4% followed by 25%. So very good numbers in terms of return. So next, if we try to see what are the major pros and cons, so you can see the company is almost debt free. So this is very important. After that, the company is also expected to give some very good quarter result, and it has delivered some very good growth of CAGR if we compare in the last 5 years, and you can see the healthy dividend payout is also very good. And cons, you can see one thing is book value, and second thing is promoter holding. So these are only the few negatives, but they are not at all into consideration seeing the business point of view of the company. Okay, so next, moving towards the financials of the company that it has recently posted. So you can see operating profit has stood around 99 crores, and if you compare on quarter basis, so from 74 to 99 is a very good increment. And if you try to compare year on year basis as well, so more than double the stock has given in terms of operating profit. So if we discuss about profit before tax, so that also significantly on year basis it has doubled, and quarter on quarter basis also a very good jump was there. Obviously, because recently whatever the data has shown that more than 50 million people 50 million accounts have been recently added, that implies that more and more investors are getting attracted to stock market. So when more investors are coming, so more transactions, so ultimately CDSL will get the benefit. So in that way you need to think. And second thing is net profit, same way increment on quarter basis followed by year on year also it has doubled. So financials wise everything, the stock is very good and has some bright future. So now let's go to technical charts. There we'll see both on monthly time frame, weekly time frame, and daily time frame how the stock has performed. Okay, so before that, if we try to observe the day-to-day wise delivery, so you can see on 4th November, 55.9% deliveries were taken, and significantly it has showed around 4% up move. So earlier it has showed some downtrend because even in between it has entered into NSE BE category. So when it was in NSE BE category till 22nd of October, so that time basically it's something like negative thing, because only circuit would be restricted, intraday would not be possible. So we need to hold for at least T+2 sessions till it comes into our holdings. But now after it has entered into the normal NSE equity segment. So all these things obviously would be removed, and we can do intraday exit tomorrow, BTST trades. So everything were possible. So since it is a very good stock for long term as well, you can see the percentage wise also the deliveries are very good. So now let's go to charts. Okay, so first we'll discuss on monthly chart time frame. So once you see monthly chart, the stock has given some very good rally starting from the lows during the pre-COVID time. So again, you can see the particular candle. So this particular candle itself from 1000, it has directly gone to 1500. So after that, we have seen little bit of correction. It has come down to 1300. So now again, it has started picking the momentum. So first resistance would be around 1500. After that, we have around 1600. So once it crosses that, we can expect the stock to approach the 2000 rupees level. So very easily it can achieve that, looking at the current whatever the bullish momentum. So the chart pattern itself signifies, you can see once it gives a big green candle, again it forms a doji where little bit of profit booking happens, and again breakout happens. Same thing here also, a doji is being formed. Again this particular month it has started the momentum, so easily it can cross the 1600 and 2000 rupees level can be observed. So keep holding patiently. So only patience can give some very good results. So this is on monthly chart. So let's even switch over to weekly and daily charts. Okay, so once you observe the weekly charts as well, so there you can see the first resistance is 1500. So where the stock has faced earlier two times. So 1500 can be easily crossed. So keep that in radar. So once it crosses, you can even take entry at the current market levels, keeping a very good target if you're doing swing trading, and even you can carry forward them to a long term. So money flow index is showing little overboughtness because of the continuous buying. So keep an eye on that as well, because money flow index overbought doesn't signify that stock should come down. It basically gives an idea whether the stock is in overbought or overzone, and you need to trade accordingly and cautiously. But you can invest in small portions, so that is not a big deal. And first target, as I told, it crosses 1500, it would be 1600 plus. So daily chart also, the stock is now trying to pick momentum. So recently it has come into the equity segment. Earlier it was in B category. So keep this all levels in radar. So any questions you can ask in the comment section, and also you can connect with me in Instagram. Instagram ID is StocksDairyYT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.